Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's content is actually sponsored by SONICGEAR, right? So for those of you who are not too sure who and what is SONICGEAR, well, they are actually a local brand which belongs to a local Singapore company called Leapfrog Global. Right, so under this company, they have actually the 5 brands under them. SONICGEAR is one of them. They have Alcatraz, they have Armageddon, they have AudioBox, and they also have Elysium. Now for me, I am personally a user of quite a number of their products, their monitors, their gaming keyboard, their gaming mouse, and even their Bluetooth wireless keyboards. Right, so today we're going to be unboxing this particular wireless earbud, ANC wireless earbud from SONICGEAR, which is called EARPUMP TWS12. Firstly, let's look at it. At the packaging, pretty nice, pretty neat. So you can also see at the bottom here, it says 6.5 hours of playtime on the single usage, which is pretty good. On the side, nothing much. Also, so there's actually a QR code. You can actually go in for more information. Let me closer, right? Maybe if you want to scan it, right? And then on the other side, some information. And then if you want to register your warranty, you can scan this. Okay, it comes with 1 year manufacturer warranty. And then at the back, that's more information. And it uses Bluetooth 5.0. Now, for those of you who actually wants to find out more about this particular earbud, you can actually go on to their official website over here and look it up for EARPUMP TWS12 ANC wireless earbud. It actually goes for, currently I think there's a promotion, it's going for around $89.90 Singapore dollars. The original price is about 168 Singapore dollars. So if you want, go and check it out. Okay, so otherwise I will also include the link down in the description below and also over here. Check it out. Without further ado, let's get into the box and see what is inside the content. Right, so let's open up. Very nice presentation. Well done, SONICGEAR, local Singapore company. So it's very clean, very clear. You get to see the product itself. Let's remove this. Very nice. You can get to the product immediately. Right, some sponge. So these are the earbuds. We'll come to it a bit later. This is the product itself. Okay. Let's see what other things are inside. So there are additional ear tips which are of the same color as the earbuds and the casing itself. There's a charging cable here which is USB-A to USB-C. Besides that, a user manual. Very, very simple user manual. Everything within 2 pages. It explains everything. Nice. What you have, the box itself, the earbuds, the casing, charging cable, additional ear tips, and the user manual. So let's put all this aside and let's focus on the main thing. My first impression when I see this is that the finishing is matte finishing, so you don't need to worry about fingerprint. Other than that, there's a top logo here. This is actually SONICGEAR icon, all right, and then you have the product name here. At the bottom is the USB-C charging port. At the back, some additional information. Let's see if you can zoom in. So the internal battery is 330 milliamps. So when you open up, you see the earbuds here, pop out halfway. Let's take a closer look. All right, so take a look at the spring. Okay, that doesn't really hold at any angle, so if you need to access the earbuds, you need to open up fully. So let's take out the earbuds and have a closer look. Okay, so once you take it out, so this is the left and this is the right. So it's actually printed on the stem itself. You can see here, this is right and then this is left, right? And then there's a SONICGEAR logo on the stem. And then this is actually the LED indicator. You can see it slightly here, it's actually blinking blue on the right. So this kind of means that the right should be the master and the left is the slave. So it's currently in Bluetooth pairing mode. Later on, we'll do the initial setup and then we try on the earbud. And then at the bottom, you'll see the pogo charging pins. And then let's remove the ears, the silicone tip. So it's kind of like a plastic covering it. I think it comes pre-installed with medium size, but of course with all the additional different sizes, I think you can mix and match them. So it uses touch control, which is along the stem here. So next, let's move into the pairing part and you see how easy it is to actually do the pairing. Alright, so we have the iPhone 12 mini here. It's currently in the Bluetooth menu, and then the earbuds are actually back in the charging case. So the first thing we're going to test out is whether does it have auto pairing when you open up the lid. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the lid and then we see if there's anything happen. Okay, nothing. You do not see anything here. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take out the earbuds, take out the right side first, and then I take out the left side, and then bam! Immediately you see EARPUMPs TWS12, and we tap on it. It's now connected. Okay, let's see what are the additional menus you see inside. Nothing much, nothing fantastic. You can hear this as earphones, okay, headphones, and then back. So next what we're going to do is we're going to try out the volume and see how good it is. We're going into YouTube. Alright, so we are currently in YouTube and I am in this audio channel called Audio Library with this music called Feel It. Let's play. So now the audio is actually at 50%. Do let me know if I can actually pick it up on my lavalier mic, if you can actually hear it. Now I'm actually going to up the volume. This is at 80%. I'm going to up it a bit more. This is at 100%. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to test the touch controls. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually try on the pause and play. So the pause and play, according to the user manual, it is actually one tap. So now we're going to try with the previous track. So previous track is actually double tap on the left earbud. This is the left earbud. Right earbud, double tap for next track. So now you have skipped to the next track. So you see how it works? Alright, so now the next thing that we're going to try is actually the ANC mode. Now I'm actually wearing the right earbud on my right ear right now, and I have the left earbud here, which I place it in front of my lavalier mic. And what we're going to do is we're going to cycle through all the ANC mode. Alright, so firstly I'm going to press and hold for 2 seconds on the right earbud and see what happens. Alright, so I hear a soft ding, and immediately I can hear on my right ear that there's a huge reduction in the noise. Now I'm going to tap and hold for another 2 seconds. There's another ding. This should be normal mode. Press and hold for another 2 seconds and there's a high-pitched chime, which should represent transparency mode, and I'm actually hearing myself as per normal. So if you're going to be answering a phone call, what you can do is you just need to tap either earbud one time to answer an incoming call. If you want to hang up, you just tap another time on the earbud, it will actually end the call. And if you want to reject the phone call, all you need to do is just do a double tap. Okay. Alright, so this has actually been my unboxing, initial setup, and of course testing of the initial controls of the SONICGEAR EARPUMPs TWS12 ANC Wireless earbuds. So if you wish to actually see the full review, which will be coming out in around 2 to 3 weeks time, don't forget to subscribe, and of course give a thumbs up and activate the notification so you will actually be notified when the full review comes out. That's all the time we have for today. My name is Johnny and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.